In this video, we're going to be bleaching my purple hair. I really have no idea what to expect, aside from tomorrow is probably going to involve a trip to Sally's. I'm going to be going in with a box of L'Oreal Absolute Platinum. Thankfully, I had this laying around because the Walmart in my area was completely out of hair bleach. To anyone who thought I was about to ruin my brand new sweatshirt, no. I really love that this hair dye does come with anti-brass conditioner. If you are a plebe like myself, you've probably been saving these for years. Smash like to that. We're gonna start off with our bottle labeled number 1. This is our Shimmering Developer Cream. You know me guys, I love a good cream. Okay. Next we're gonna open up our packet labeled number 2. This is our Shimmering Bleach Powder. We're gonna pour the powder into the bottle. Perfect. The final ingredient to this 3-part mixture is tube number 3. This is our Shimmering Lightning Cream. Ooh, it's juicy. Ooh. I love it when it's thick and juicy. Unfortunately, I already used the gloves from this kit in another video, but hey, we've been through worse. Next! Thank God, I thought it landed on the Gucci. ASMR. Hi Mom, I think I'm great at doing hair. I could even do yours. Let me know down below. Yeah. Ooh. That's right, penetrate those hair follicles. If it does start to burn, that's okay. It's just letting you know that it's working. Unfortunately, I spilled a lot of the hair dye on my floor, so we're running kind of low. In an effort to speed up the chemical reactions that are occurring on my head, I'm going to use a plastic cap. And now that my hair is cooking, I'll see you guys in an hour. I'm looking like a fun dip. Hi Rose Gold, how are ya? Alright you guys, here is the final look. Over the last couple days, the only thing I've really done is wash my hair multiple times with dish soap, and then I was using a purple conditioner. We got some bubblegum platinum vibes going on. I definitely apologize about the length of this video. I was having technical difficulties. Generally from here I would do a little bleach bath, possibly tone it, but this was all actually in preparation for a video that I plan on doing next week. I'm actually going to be dyeing my hair 2 different colors, one color on each side, so if you guys have any last minute recommendations, please let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I'll see you on my next video. Bye! There's like an animal on my roof. Hello, friend.